Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use the touch control on the JBL Wave Beam earplugs. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. So, the main functions of this feature are play and pause music, go to the next or previous track, answer or end a phone call, volume control and the voice assistant. Now I'm gonna demonstrate you these features. So, take the right earplug. If you tap once on it, it will play or pause the music. Let's see how it works. I'm tapping once and the music is playing. Now it stopped. If you make a double tap, you will move to next song. The triple tap is to go back to previous track. Let's see. Great. Now take your left earbud. You need to tap once to increase the volume or tap twice to decrease. So I'm tapping once and tapping twice. So, if you want to answer or end the phone call, you can tap twice, and it doesn't matter which earbud it will be. I'm gonna tap twice. Now I'm gonna tap twice again to end the conversation. Also, you can reject incoming call by tapping and pressing the side of earbud. I'm tapping and pressing. And now the phone call is rejected. Now I will tell you how to trigger Siri or Google Assistant. So tap and hold the earpiece for about 2 seconds to activate your device's voice assistant. As you can see, my Siri is on now. Also, you can change those functions. You can do it easily in the app JBL headphones, like this. But first, you need to be connected with your device. So tap here, then find the gestures parameter, go in there, and customize them as you like. You can change the playback control or ambient sound control. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.